So, if you work in marketing or design, you already know the struggle. Most creative briefs come in missing half the details. The designer doesn't know what the art direction is. Even the social media manager has no idea if the designs are ready. We were dealing with the same chaos every day, chasing answers and fixing mistakes. So, we finally said enough and built an AI agent in ClickUp to fix it for. Let me show you how it works. Designers end up wasting hours chasing missing details, correcting briefs, and waiting for proper information, which slows the entire workflow down and delays delivery. So, we solved that using the ClickUp's new AI agent feature. We built a custom agent called the Creative AI Assistant. Now, every time someone submits a creative brief, the agent automatically reviews it the moment the task is created, checking everything against our official SOP document that we have uploaded into the system. That means that the review isn't random AI behavior. It follows our exact internal standards every single time. The agent validates all the mandatory fields: market, objective, target audience, key message, due date, design type, and languages required. It checks whether the required assets are uploaded or not, but only flags them if the SOP says they are needed. It reviews the messaging to make sure it's clear, simple, and aligned with our brand tone, and it verifies the timeline, flagging any deadlines that break our minimum turnaround rules. After reviewing, the agent posts a clean, structured comment directly on the task if everything matches the SOP. All the fields are filled in. It also provides us with a message summary that is filled in by the user, and it comments directly on the task if everything matches the SOP. It confirms that the brief is ready for assignment and recommends moving it to design required. But in case anything's missing or off standard, it highlights exactly what needs to be fixed and suggests moving the task to waiting status until it's updated. With this automation in place, every brief is checked instantly, consistently, and 100% aligned with our SOP without anyone lifting a finger. No more back and forth, no more manual validation, no more delays. This is how ClickUp AI Agent helps us streamline creative intake and save hours every single week. Thank you.